Hi, I'm Deborah Shearer of Table and Dine, and welcome to my table. Today I'm talking about easy entertaining and how to set a beautiful Thanksgiving table that's both meaningful and inviting. I love a traditional look with a modern twist for my own Thanksgiving table, so you'll typically find layers of harvest colors with burnt oranges and muted greens, or sometimes an all-white table mixed with a fun fall napkin, placemat, or runner, together with some natural elements to make it a little more casual and inviting. So let me show you how it's done. I always say layer, layer, layer when it comes to setting the table. And with Sophistiplate's pretty paper and single-use collections, entertaining has never been easier. Begin with a craft paper runner. Add a garland of greenery, flowers, pumpkins, fall leaves you collect with the family, and loads of candles to bring that holiday warmth to your table. I always love a good mix and match, and as you can see here, Sophistiplate's Gold Harvest Collection does all the work. Choose a dinner plate with a coordinating salad plate. Add a salad-colored bowl or a charger plate, or both. I sometimes alternate patterns with my accent plates so that each place setting is just a little different. Remember, not everything needs to match. It's perfectly okay and way more fun to have glassware or napkins in different colors or patterns. Next, add your favorite flatware, glassware, and a napkin that either coordinates with your dinnerware or a non-traditional shade to give your place settings a pop of color and bring your table to life. It's all in the details when you set the table. I always love an element of surprise on my tables, like a handwritten place card, a small gift, or a sentiment at each place setting that expresses gratitude and simply says, "Welcome to my table and thank you for coming." And just before your guests arrive to this year's intimate gathering, take a moment. Light the candles, set the tone with your favorite music, and give thanks to the food on your table and your family and friends who will be joining you. Most of all, carry on old traditions, create new ones, be in the moment, have fun and enjoy.